Hello students and parents, welcome back again in my channel Fun Learning, and I am Shomita. I hope you are enjoying your studies with your parents, and I hope you are following my videos thoroughly. In my videos I am explaining some of the interesting chapters of science and mathematics for you all only, for all school going students. There is some important points which you can use in your studies, and if you are liking my videos, then definitely give it a big like and share and subscribe my channel, so that I will get inspiration for making more and more videos for you, and definitely hit the bell icon so that the first notification of my all new videos will reach to you. And definitely watch my videos till the last end, because in my every video at the last end I am showing you how you can apply your study ideas in some interesting artworks. Today also I brought for you one important chapter, that is pollution. You all know that pollution is a vital problem in our society now, and today I am going to discuss with you the reasons of different types of pollution and what are the prevention for those pollutions. So let's get started. Students, today we are going to discuss about a very vital problem of our society, that is pollution. But before we start the discussion, we should know what is pollution. What is pollution actually about? Pollution happens when our environment is contaminated or affected by waste, chemicals and other harmful substances. This is a general idea about pollution. Means when our environment gets affected by some harmful substances. Maybe it is waste, maybe it is some harmful chemicals, maybe we are misusing our environment by some other substances which are not good for our health, then only pollution happens. So pollution is generally a big vital problem of our society, and we should be aware about that. We should be careful to prevent it. But let's discuss in detail first about this topic. First, we know about how many types of pollutions are there. Generally, we know that 4 types of pollutions are there normally, that is air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution or sound pollution. More types of pollutions are there, but generally we know these kinds of pollution happens in our surroundings. So these are the common types of pollutions we are going to discuss about. First we are going to discuss about the air pollution. What is air pollution? When unwanted chemicals, gases and particles mix with the air and it polluted the air, that is called air pollution. Means any harmful chemicals or gases, dust particles, if it mixes with the air or atmosphere, then air pollution occurs. What are the sources of air pollution? Mainly 2 types of sources are there. First of all, it is natural, another one is man-made. Natural means, suppose naturally air pollution occurs, means suppose volcano eruptions, dust storms, forest fires. Volcano eruption means when volcano erupts, then the burning lava comes out, and from that erupted volcano harmful gases also exerts from that, and it also pollutes the air. After that, dust storms also, from different parts the harmful gases and particles mixes with the air. Forest fires also responsible for air pollution, because any kinds of fireworks is harmful to air. Next is man-made. Man-made 2 types of causes mainly is there. First is factories. From different types of factories, harmful gases and foams generates, and those are very much harmful. Carbon monoxide, harmful carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, those all are harmful to our health. And vehicles means that all know that human uses vehicles, cars and buses on the road. From those also harmful gases comes out, and those also pollutes the air. Next is water pollution. We should discuss how water pollution occurs. You all know that when harmful chemicals or things or any waste or any other particles mixes with water, then water pollution occurs. And water pollutions, what are the sources? There are also two sources are there, natural and man-made. Natural means volcano eruption and dust storms. These two are common. It will pollute the water also with the air, as well as it pollutes water also. And last but not the least, that is flood. Through flood, after flood also the water heavily polluted becomes polluted. It is also very harmful for human beings or any animals or plants. So these kinds of sources are natural sources. And what are the man-made sources? The man-made sources are the misuse of water by human beings. Misuse of water means what? That you all know that in villages ponds water is used for animal bathing also, and cleaning, washing. Same water when used for different purposes, then water heavily water becomes polluted. So public awareness is necessary for that. So we should be careful about our drinking water and the water we are using for bathing, washing and any other things. Especially in villages we will use that same water for different purposes. And another thing is, we should not put waste. Suppose from factories and houses, the drainage system, the drainage water and the waste waters should not be mixed with the sea, river and ponds. It is dangerously very much harmful for our environment. Next is land pollution. Land pollution occurs, the reasons are mainly same, that when land gets polluted with harmful chemicals or wastes or garbages, then land pollution occurs. And the general sources of land pollutions are that dumping of garbages. We know that in our environment sometime people stores garbage in our locality only, and it pollutes the air also as well as land also. And house waste, factory wastes, those if mixes with the soil, if it mixes with the water, and then it dumps the both side of the river, and that like land also polluted from that. And flood also a main reason of land pollution. Means after flood, the both the drainage water, normal water, all will mixes each other to each other, and different water is flows from one place to another. It is very much harmful for the environment. And improper drainage system, it is also a vital reason of land pollution. Means if the drainage system of a city is not proper, then the waste waters from the houses and factories and shops and other places mix with the land, and land gets polluted. So drainage system must be neat and clean and proper. At last we are going to discuss about one of the vital pollution, that is noise pollution. Noise pollution is also one of the greatest problem in our society. You all know when level of sound increases more than the normal level, then noise pollution occurs. What is normal level? Normal level means 65 decibel. 65 decibel is the normal level of sound which is up to this level is not harmful for our health, but if more than that, then it will be dangerous for our health. And you know that in our society sometime for any occasion loudspeakers, we will play loudspeakers loudly, and the most commonly dangerous thing is horns. People blow horns with their vehicles beside any hospital or any locality. It is very much harmful for the heart patients, the aged peoples, and people who are using hearing aids, who have ear problems. For them it is also very dangerous thing, and it affects the brain also. For aged people, and especially for very small children, it is injurious to their brain also. So we should not play loudspeakers loudly in our locality. Anyhow, we should play it within our normal range, and we should not blow horns also beside any hospital or any any hospital or any in locality too much loudly. Always we should maintain our limit, sound limit. So these are the main causes of noise pollution, and its solution is we have to maintain the normal level of sound. And children, I want to mention here that mainly the awareness is necessary for all kinds of pollution. Means we should not misuse our environment for all kinds of pollution, not only for noise pollution. For every kinds of pollution, to stop the pollution, we have to be conscious about our environment, and we should not misuse the ingredients of our environment. We should make our environment clean, and then only we can stop the pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, sound pollution. Whatever pollution is there, we have to be careful about that, and we should use our land, our water carefully. And what are the man-made causes? Those man-made causes we have to control, we have to be aware of those problems, then only we can come out from those kinds of problems. Students, you can see here I made one nice model of air pollution. Only air pollution. Here I want to show you what are the reasons of air pollution. I made one small model of busy city where the factories are there, and from the factories the harmful gases are coming out, and the harmful gases which are the main reason of air pollution. Here also you can see that from the factories, the chimneys, the harmful gases are coming out, which are mainly the reasons of air pollution. And another thing is the cars and buses, the vehicles are going, from the vehicles also harmful gases are coming out, and those harmful gases also the main reason of air pollution. The harmful gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and other gases combines with dust particles which mixes with the air, and it pollutes the air. So I tried to make a small model of air pollution. You can also make like that for any project. I simply made this with cardboard. On a cardboard I used thermocol pieces to cut according to these, and after that I painted, and I made this road with cardboard and poster color, and foams I made with cotton. So simple ingredients in my home which are available in everybody's home I used, and I made this model. You can also make this like model for your school projects and have fun and use your study ideas on this like artworks. So students, I hope you enjoyed my today's video with your parents. Dislike, apply your study ideas in some interesting artwork so that your leisure time will be more and more utilized, and your study will be more and more interesting for you. Today I made this air pollution model using some very easily available ingredients which are always available in everybody's home. And you can also make this like model, or you can make water pollution or sound pollution model. You can practice in your leisure time so that in future you can utilize those ideas in any science exhibition or in your any school project. If you are liking my videos, then give it a big like and share and subscribe my channel, and definitely hit the bell icon for fastest notification of my all new videos. In my next video again I will bring for you one interesting chapter of either science or mathematics. And till now I am ending my today's video. Let's meet in my next video. Bye children and bye parents.